Hey, Jeff, can you get that?
No.
Why not?
I'm on the can.
Still.
I'm reading. No, I'm a slow reader.
What are you reading?
Jane Austen. The original. I'm in the remake.
All right. You kept that quiet. Who are you playing? Mr. Darcy? Are you Colin Firth or something?
It's like being in quarantine with my freaking mother. No, man, I'm playing Hugh Grant. Working on the stammer with my yoga teacher.
Okay. Who's playing Colin Firth?
The Rock.
You get to have a wet shirt like Colin? Did he take off the shirt?
Man, he doesn't even have a shirt.
Oh, sexy. Still a bit awkward for, dinner party scenes and things.
Who thinks of that? Yo, Sam, you better get that. That'll be your pizza.
No, he's been already. I've had 3 already today.
3? How many days in a row has that been just pizzas for you now?
No, only 4. It's the new 10-day pizza diet. I've lost pounds already.
Yeah, but you don't look great. Malnutrition, probably. No wonder you're always on the can.
Yeah, you're right. Hadn't thought of that. What are you eating?
Well, I'm 100% paleo. Fruits, vegetables, steroids, the usual.
Oh, so that's why you're on the can too. Anyway, I do get fruit. I get extra pineapple on the pizza. So it's got to be something for you.
Yeah, I think so. Might be my accent guy for the Jane Austen thing.
All right. Who's that?
It's Sean Connery.
Sean Connery?
Yep. That's what he does now. Golf and accents.
He only does one accent.
No, he does them all. He's really good too. German, Russian. I'm actually playing mine Jamaican.
Okay.
Shawnee!
Yes, Sam.
Hey, take it easy, dude.
I heard what the little shit had to say about me in accents. Sam Neill, I am coming for you.